Okay, it's day one at the Florida Super Show in Tampa. Lots of people here. Weather's a little on the chilly side, so we're all wearing jackets, but lots of cool show specials and entertainment and things to check out. Oh my gosh, these crowds are getting lunch, and I even hear bagpipes. Do you hear bagpipes? Let's go find the bagpipes. Okay.
He puts his hands.
I know.
He's very handsy.
Wow. Okay. I think I found my new drive partner. Look at this guy. Ah!
Get her! Get her! Give her permission to jump on her.
The Dragon Rider?
Yep, this is Draco.
Draco.
Does anybody excuse me guys, anybody got a bow and arrow?